Did you get back home safely? Oh wait, is that your ringtone? Oh wait, it is. It's so nice. Love you tightly.
I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, party. Trying my best to be somebody. But everybody around me's falling in love to our song. Oh,
Right.
yeah, hate it. Taking a shot cause I can't take it. I don't think that they make anything that strong.
Can you get it?
So hold on.
Where do you know you from again?
The party last week. I sent you the pictures.
Sorry. I can't really. Do you wanna join us? Play some beer pong with us?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're studying.
No.
Obviously.
Let's do it. Let's make them fight. Cool.
Can I
You
get
mind?
that?
And we'll come.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Come on, he's like that with everyone. Yeah, every girl. I'm not sure if I'm ready.
What do you mean not ready?
Sophie texted me last night.
Sophie? Really? I told you to block her. I mean, seriously.
Yeah,
She's not worth it.
I know, but what about you?
Me, nothing special.
Come on.
I'm busy with uni anyway.
And drinking beer with me?
Yeah.
No one shall ever destroy a holy bond.
No one.
Okay.
No, yeah, that's what I want.
And I saw you at the riverside, and it seemed so wrong, but it felt so right. And the trees have grown, but the flowers died. And I'm getting old, the with no stories to be told. Oh, I'm getting old with no stories to be told. I'm promising you, promising me, in love with you I will.
Hey Clara, thanks again for helping me get away from this douche. Oh gosh, I still got the smell of his aftershave in my nose. Nah. Love you! Oh god, that sounded as if you were my mom. Love you, platonically. Take care.
Promising me, promising you, I hope you love me too.
Hey, what a party. What are you guys doing?
Hey, Becca just posted a pic with this guy in her Insta story. Here, look. They must be dating.
Never. She just wants to show off.
We are not jealous here, are we?
Hey, what about you? Why is it quiet?
I'm just writing.
Are we that inspiring?
What are you writing? Show me.
No.
Show me.
Clara.
What is that? Let's read it.
Yeah, come on, Shakespeare.
Let's read it.
Yeah, give us a show.
Would you actually mind acting out with me? I kind of want to see how it works out. Can you, like, help me?
Oh.
Sure. Do you want to... Can you read it?
Yeah, sure. Just give me a sec. I need some light. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. She wasn't afraid. After all that has happened, she felt as if nothing could scare her anymore. She took a step closer to him, their noses almost touching. Slowly, she reached out for the zipper of his washed-out hoodie.
Hey, I just got home and wanted to tell you that after a great acting performance, I changed the plot a bit. You were right, who likes happy endings? And let's be honest, would Titanic have been that successful without Jack turning into an ice cube? I doubt it. Anyway, I usually don't like to share my unfinished or even my finished work with anyone else, but tonight was different. You made it, I mean, it was just fun acting it all out with you, bringing the characters alive and stuff. I think I've never stared into someone's eyes for that long. And what beautiful brown eyes you have. Bambi would have been jealous. Weird that I just noticed that now. Sorry it's late. I hope you're already asleep, and if not, go to bed now, young ladies. Sleep tight. Love you. Platonically.
Doing great.
Really? I just thought I was really bad at it. But ancient mythology creature.
Oh, my friend, there's no mean time
Don't you want to
in the night where it's quiet. There's no need for trouble. And say it's not fair when you roll down the aisle in search of a friend. And I hope you hear me. For the riverside or a go to pray, I hope you hear me. I'll run these days to the riverside and hope you notice. Don't know what the people say. Keep on going there day by day, and I hope you hear me. Don't mind, and I don't wanna cry. I just pray, and I don't wanna die, and I hope you hear me. Oh my God, it's a crazy night. It's the way I feel, and I hope that you hear me, brother. Oh my God, it's a crazy night. It's the way I feel, and I hope that you hear me, brother. Oh my God. voices on the open field. I can hear these voices on the open field.
That's great.
I can hear these voices on the open field.
Ja, genau.
I can hear these voices on these open fields.
Bis evening.
Clara, it's me! Surprise! Yeah, you know it's me anyway. I just want to let you know that I can't wait till Friday night. Just 56 hours and 11.
Okay. It's time.
Okay, right.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm fine, it's okay. It's okay. Her mom called me. They're already on their way to St. Andrews.
Alright, yeah. Just give me a second, okay?
No problem.
And 11 minutes left. You are so special. Well, I'm just gonna cook you the best spaghetti carbonara you've ever had and will have. Anyway, still have to finish my essay. Uni sucks. At least you don't. Love you.
I loved you, oh my girl. These things I know, these things I hold. Where you would walk, there I'd walk too. When the skies shine blue on my stormy soul, these things I know.